Here's a great deal on a 2016 Toyota Camry. This 4-door, 5-passenger sedan still has less than 90,000 miles. Under the hood, you'll find a 6-cylinder engine with more than 250 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Top features include a split folding rear seat, leather upholstery, front and rear reading lights, a power seat, an automatic dimming rear view mirror, fully automatic headlights, and a blind spot monitoring system. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Toyota also prioritized safety and security by including head curtain airbags, front and rear side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.